Possibly the best Goggins advice he ever gave is don't let them get in your head. Oh, wait, is it? What? Wait. While you're letting them get in your head, do you even know what it means? So, you're walking down the street and you see some people around you. Oh yeah, what did I think about how I walk? What did they think about me? I don't care, right? That's what you say, right? I don't care. But is that really a thing? Do you really not care? Because deep inside your brain, there's still them inside. You have that one friend that you don't really like. Or you have that one classmate that is trying to bully you, but you don't let him. Or you have that one guy that is just constantly talking shit behind your back. And, oh what? That guy is a fucking cunt, right? He's a fucking cunt. He always does some stupid shit. Like, the world would be better without him, right? Like, if there would be no people like him on this earth, I would feel so much better. And boom, you just wasted 10 seconds of your time letting him get in your head. So, what does this even mean? It means that you don't let people take your thought, time, and shit because they did something stupid, bro. If you really don't give a fuck about them, you don't spend no time thinking about them. Unless they do some really fucking crazy shit that you gotta think about. Because you need to really consider your next steps, how you're gonna fix that. That's a different thing. But if you're just letting someone because he was saying stupid shit to you today in school, or the teacher didn't give you a good grade and now you're being so mad at her, or at him, like, bro, you're wasting your time. You should be like, alright, I fucked up, this happened, how can I improve next time? That's all. Like, if there's someone who's trying to bully you, bro, fuck that guy. You will spend this much time of your free time at home thinking about him. This much time. Because if you let him take 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or maybe an hour of your day, that's a fucking hour you could be working on your goals. You could spend this hour, and over 2 weeks, that would be 14 hours of work you could have done. 14 hours of work. And you will maybe have your business running at least a bit by now. But no, you rather than starting your business and getting those first few dollars from it, you spend the time on him. So if you really think about it, well, would you rather spend the time thinking about how much you hate him? Or would you rather start gaining the money? Which one would you rather pick? Money or thinking about him? Exactly, the money, right? You would rather start getting the money from your own business. So why don't you? Fuck that guy and get the money. Fuck that guy and focus on your goals. If it's not the money, if it's some random girl, if it's a girl that you really like, if it's, I don't know, a business, I don't know, fixing something, cleaning a room, whatever the fuck it is. Spend time on that, getting to that goal, rather than thinking about how much you hate a guy. Because if you let people and situations get in your head, you're gonna lose, bro. You gotta focus. What do I need to do to get better? Analyze my failures, analyze my victories. How do I get better next time? How do I become better next time? How do I become better even next time? And never stop. Get the fucking grind on, bro. And remember, after you don't let shit get in your head and you really focus and think only about what's important to you, you will start winning. But if you really did something fucking stupid, right, and you gotta show him back that that's not how he's gonna treat you, that's a different thing. You can think about what the fuck you're gonna do to him, but don't spend too much time on it, bro. Don't spend every single day, every single fucking minute for 3 hours per day while you're driving to school and back thinking about that fucking lad. Don't do that. Rather work, focus on your goals, and when the time comes, you know what you gotta do. Prove respect to your family, brother. And now remember, even when it feels the worst, and when it sucks the most, always embrace the pain, motherfucker! Ciao!